Good morning, class 7 students, and welcome to another online life science class. Today, I am discussing the question answers of nervous system. You will listen to the audio and you will see the slides properly, and then we'll write down the answers because I am giving you answer keys in the audios. So after that, you will write down the answers along with the questions in your life science copy. Then you will send me your homework. First question is define nervous system. Answer: the nervous system is a control system responsible for sending electrical signals called nerve impulses throughout our body. Second question is what is nerve? Answer is a nerve is a whitish fiber that provides a pathway for the electrical impulses from the central nervous system to be transmitted to different parts of the body. Question number 3. What is meninges? What is its function? Answer: the human brain is a delicate organ made up of soft nervous tissue. It is protected by the bony skull and three membranous coverings called meninges. It is the control center of the body. Number 4. Mention the divisions of human brain. Answer: the brain is divided into three main parts: the cerebellum, the cerebrum, and the medulla oblongata. Question number 5. Describe spinal cord. The spinal cord is a cylindrical structure located inside the vertebral column that transmits nerve impulses from different organs in the body to the brain and vice versa. It also controls reflex actions. Question number 6. What are sense organs? Sense organs help us to see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. These are external organs made up of receptors that receive stimuli from the environment and send messages through sensory nerves to the central nervous system. Question number 7. What are the different sense organs in our body? Answer: the different sense organs in our body are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Question number 8. What are the functions of eyes? Answer: eyes are the organs of sight. They detect light and help us to see the world around us. Number 9. Which organ responds to stimuli created by the sound waves? Answer: ears are the organs of hearing. They respond to stimuli created by sound waves. Question number 10. What is the function of organ of smell? Answer: nose is the organ of smell. It helps us to detect different odors present in the air. Question number 11. What is the function of skin? Answer: skin serves as a protective barrier. It also contains numerous sensory receptors that receive information from the environment. If you want, you can add more points. I'm just giving you answer keys. Next question. Describe tongue. Tongue is a fleshy, muscular organ attached to the floor of the mouth. It has receptors for taste called taste buds that detect four basic tastes: salty, sweet, bitter, and sour. Next question. Name the parts of a neuron. Answer is: parts of a neuron are cyton, axon, dendrites, myelin sheath, and synaptic bulb. Next question. How is brain protected? Brain is protected by are three membranous coverings called meninges. Next question. Name the structures connecting the two cerebral hemispheres and the two cerebellar hemispheres. So the structure that connects the two cerebral hemispheres is a sheet of fiber, and the structure which connects the two cerebellar hemispheres are called pons. Next, what is reflex action? Answer: an automatic, quick and sudden response to a sensory stimulus is called reflex action, which is controlled by the spinal cord. Next question. By how many segments spinal cord is made up of? Answer: spinal cord is made up of 31 segments. Each segment gives out with a pair of spinal nerves. Next question. Name the layers of human eye. Answers: the layers of human eye are sclera, choroid and retina. Next question. With the help of a level diagram, describe the structure of neuron. This question I don't think so. No need to describe. You will draw a clean and clear diagram. Then you will level the diagram of neuron and then you will explain the parts of neuron. And the last but not the least question is explain the working of inner ear. That means you have to explain here the working mechanism of inner ear. If possible, draw a structure of eye, diagram of structure of eye over here. Thank you students. For any doubts or queries, please email me at sudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to send your regular life science assignment in this given email ID.